You probably know that too, paracord mass. I'll show you today how to do it properly. Pinch the end between your fingers, then wrap the paracord over your thumb and pinky in a figure 8 motion. At the end, leave a little bit of paracord to tie the bundle together. Now carefully take it from your hand and wrap the remaining paracord tightly around your bundle. When you get to the end, leave some paracord here too. I cross the last 2 windings, like so, and slide the end of the paracord under this cross. Tighten now. This way you can keep your paracord in your backpack or wherever you like. And why is that so awesome? Because you can now pull it out again without it getting knotted or tangled. I think it's awesome, and if you think so too, I'd be happy if you support my channel with a subscription. The subscription is of course free of charge.